All right. Time to cut these bushes. Cut this grass. Gotta trim these bushes this morning. The hair just, this is before. This is our current situation, dealing with the hurricane. We are here and we're getting some of the after effects of it. Well, it's actually making its way toward us. So there's a lot of rain right now falling, and trees and stuff are blowing. You can see it coming in spurts, and you can start to see the backside of the trees and different things and such is blowing. So I think it'll stay probably around like this. You can see the movement of the trees and stuff pretty good. So if you look at the top of the trees and the rooftop and stuff, you can really see how the wind is blowing pretty good over there. So it's okay. Here you can see it pretty good in a close-up of the tree here. But if you look on the back line back there, try to steady the camera a little bit, you can see how the wind is picking up on and off, and how it actually really is blowing pretty good back there. So I don't know. This is the first day, so we'll see how. Well, this is, I think, the first day of it actually making its way toward us. So we'll see what it looks like in a few days. Maybe tomorrow it's will. It's that hurricane footage. The wind and stuff is blowing, but it's all right. It's not super bad. Here is where you can kind of see the trees and stuff. It's in spurts. It comes and goes. It comes and goes. So I'm just shooting what I can. It's dark right now, but hey, it's one of those things. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you can see my face, it is early morning. Gotta get out here and do what I do, man. But I am up early this morning. My sons are up. My wife, she's out and about, and she actually had a hair appointment this morning. So she's been doing this all week. So I got up and did what I had to do while I'm off today. Next time you see me, I'll probably have a haircut. I've let it grow out long enough, so I'm gonna get ready to cut it. But yeah, just getting going this morning. I will be excited later, you know, as I usually do, get the going. I think I'm gonna touch up me and my son's hair today, give us haircuts, and go ahead and go from there. But I'm gonna keep a lot of it. I think I might cut some of it down, get it going, cut it down a little bit, and just I don't know. Like I said, I'm enjoying my hair while I have it. I'm enjoying it, but I am going to cut this facial hair. I've let it grow out long enough, and so hopefully I won't get those bumps anytime soon. So I'm gonna trim it back up, hit my mustache and stuff, and just get back to just shaving a little bit. I don't like to shave all the time, but it's good to not be in a position where you have to shave, but I just let it grow every once in a while, and I don't know, just let it grow naturally. But I'll be doing some more lives probably nightly this week, shooting a little bit more footage, putting a little more videos out continuously as I have, at least probably like, you know, I think once or twice a week. I don't think I've hit, the only time I didn't put a video out is when I went live every day doing that experiment. But other than that, I've put a live out every day since I started this channel. Not every day, but like I used to do Tuesdays and Saturdays until I started doing lives on Saturday. But I put a live out like every Tuesday. And last week I did 2 videos. I did a regular video when we went to the outlets in Atlanta, and then I did a short video for when the whole cleanup happened. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I've been interacting pretty good with some people in my audience. It's almost like people started reacting out of fear. And I understand that. I think we did all to a point, but we all bounced back and kind of like, you know, thought about our focus and why we got on YT and what we should be doing on YT. So visiting everybody and making sure, you know, everybody's okay. And it's time to get back on it. So if you haven't been on your grind, get on your grind. All right, thanks guys. Love you guys. Enjoy. And there it is, the finished product. You guys have seen me do this before, so did it again. This is me. Like I said, I'm finished up, and I'll see what else I'm gonna have for the weekend. All right, see you guys soon.